Okay, this is some information for those people that missed class yesterday on your persuasive research paper. This document is actually found on Blackboard from Wednesday, and as you can see, your essay that you're writing is a letter to your legislator. So you are going to write a persuasive essay about inequality in America, and I'm going to give you some information here. One thing you'll want to do is when you've downloaded this, you can go and you can look for your legislator that you have. You're going to put in your address and your city, whether it's Liberty or Kansas City. You'll look up your legislator and you'll pick the first two. So whoever your state senator is or your House district representative is for the state, one of these two people you'll write to. You want to maybe click on them and you can look up who they are and find out all about that person that you might end up writing to about this idea of inequality. So that's that. Now, also yesterday, and what people are working on today is I gave them this inequalities article on a thumb drive. You can get that from the sub. You load this entire thing from the thumb drive onto your desktop, and inside of it are 6 different folders. There are 7 different topics that you can choose from and focus. There are 2 under criminal justice, sentencing disparities, the inequality in sentencing people for crimes, or the inequality in how we police. And you'll notice that in each one of these, there are multiple articles that you should probably read. Sometimes there's even a document that has web links on it that will lead you to information online that you might be able to use. So as you're kind of going through that, you'll make sure that you go through and have these and then look through these. The LGBT community, inequality in income, gender wages inequality, voting laws, inequality in the laws that we vote that create inequality where some people can vote and some people maybe have a harder time getting to the polls or being allowed to vote, voting rights and whatnot. So those are some things that you might focus on. Now what you're doing today is the exit slip. This is what you're working on today and tomorrow. And you should have this completed. You need to, as you're going through, fill this out, probably for 3 different sources. You want to, by the time you walk out of class on Friday, know which one of these different topics, whether it's voting laws, the LGBT community, income inequality, gender wages, education inequality, or the 2 ideas of sentencing disparity or policing that you're going to focus on as an inequality that exists in America that you are going to write to your state legislator about. And next week, as you read over this, next week we will come up with a thesis statement, as kind of like what these are here. But you come up with a thesis statement that you're saying about inequality, that gender wages in America, the wages between men and women are completely unequal or something like that. And then you're going to prove it, and you'll have an outline you'll fill out, and then you'll begin rough drafting the week after that, and then the week after that you'll turn in a final draft of this letter that we will end up sending to the legislator. So hopefully that makes sense to you. If it doesn't, please shoot me an email. I will be back in class on Friday. Good luck.